Welcome to day 9 of opening one pack of Prismatic Evolutions every single day until we get one of the top 5 Evolution chase cards. On day number 9, maybe we're going to see some luck again. We have been on a bit of a dry spell, but we're not going to let that deteriorate us. Here we go. The code card on the back, there's the energy. Now let's get into the juice. We have a Fanroton, Haben Berry, Hoot Hoot, Dreepy, Howlucha, Explorer's Guidance, Regigigas, a Groudon, a Dusclops, ooh, and an Atticus full art. Man, that is a sick card. It's definitely not one of the Evolution Chase cards, but that is a big one for the collection. See me again tomorrow on day number 10.